What are the LongJoin first certified 3 zhaga components? I'm going to review it to you today. In July 2019, LongJoin's 3 zhaga interface products officially obtained DECA Quality Inspection Certificate. They are respectively 1. Zhaga Interface Intelligent Lock Type Controller Socket GL700 2. GL700 Zhaga Interface Intelligent Lock Type Controller Socket Protective Cap Dust-proof waterproof cap 3. Zhaga Interface Intelligent Lock Type Controller Base GL701J. This series of products are designed and developed according to Zhaga Bulk 18 1.0 version of the standard interface. Not only small size and has excellent sealing, without installing screws, can reach the IP66 level of water resistance. The same interface surface can be compatible with 40mm, 60mm, and 80mm diameter light controller, and the installation position is not limited. The special sealing ring design on the base also greatly reduced assembly time. I'm Aubrey from Shanghai LongJoin. Do you understand this video? The next video, I will introduce you to the functions of these 3 products. Want to know more content? Welcome to leave a message to tell me. Bye!